Are you looking for fantastic true wireless earbuds with a fantastic sound quality as well as having enough battery power to charge your mobile phone and also give you playtime of 100 hours? If yes, this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on these Mpow M20 True Wireless Earbuds. They are fantastic, come with the 3D stereo sound and hundreds of hours of playtime. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Here on my channel, I tend to go extra mile, providing each and every detail of the product which I am reviewing, starting with the specifications of the product, following with the features, unboxing and demonstration. By the end of this video, you will have an idea that is that product for you. If that is something you are looking for, subscribe button is right on your screen. Now with that all being said, let's quickly go ahead and look into the specification as well as the features of this Mpow M20 earbuds. Starting with the specification, come with the Bluetooth version 5.0, which is operating range of 10 meters, not bad at all. Music playtime is up to 6 hours per earbud, but with the charging case it's about 100 hours, and you can use the charging case as a mobile phone charger as well, like a power bank feature. Now in terms of feature, it comes with a 3D stereo sound, IPX7 waterproof rating, so you can use it while you're exercising or swimming. Touch control on the earbuds itself, then the support of charging mobile phone which I mentioned earlier. Now let's go ahead with the very quick unboxing and see what comes with this Mpow M20 earbuds. So here we have everything which is included in the packaging, starting with one user manual, one 1 meter long micro USB charging cable, pair of small and large ear tips, one Mpow M20 True Wireless charging case which serves as a power bank as well, where on the top of the case we have a Mpow logo and the battery status indicator on opening side, where on the one of its side you have a button to check the battery status by press of one button, and a USB output port to charge your mobile phone devices. Then on the opposite side we have a one micro USB charging port for charging this battery compartment. Now in last but not least, we have M20 True Wireless Earbuds. They look premium in build quality, where to start with on earbud we have a charging link on the back as well as an ear tip which can be changed from small, large and a medium, and 3 of them are available within the packaging. You also have the identification mark that this earbud will go into your left earpiece. Now in the front of earbud you have a one multifunctional touch button in the middle and a microphone input right in there to get this earbud work as a hand-free mode. Using these multifunctional button you can power up these earbuds, but I would highly recommend you to charge them fully before you connect them with your mobile phone, which is very easy to do so as well by placing them inside the charging compartment. Now while these both earbuds are getting charged, you're going to see the red light on top. Once charge is completed, lights will go off. The process of pairing these earbuds with your smartphone device is very easy and straightforward. You need to get hold of right hand side, and as soon you open up you're going to see flashing red and a blue light on it. That means it's in a pairing mode. Now turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone and go into the Bluetooth settings. Now in here make sure your Bluetooth is in discovery mode, and within the available devices you should be able to locate Mpow M20. Click on it. And once it's successfully paired, you're going to see the status indicator light flashing goes away and you are going to get the steady on it. Now these Mpow M20 earbuds also support APT protocol on Bluetooth, works great as well. Now if you take out the other ear set, now as soon you take them out they both get automatically paired. Now both earbuds are connected and working well with your mobile phone. You can also use these multifunctional buttons which are touch on the top to navigate within your playlist as well as increase and decrease the volume. Now the multifunctional button on your both earbuds work fantastically well. Now if you'd like to navigate within your playlist, By double click onto the left, by double click onto the right, you can navigate within your playlist. If you would like to decrease the volume, now left side, if you keep hold of it, it will keep decreasing the volume, or right side, if you keep hold of it, it will increase the volume. So as you can play and pause as well by right click. That part works just great out of the box, no worries whatsoever. Now having 2600 milliampere hour of battery is a bonus as well. Let me charge my mobile phone on the go too. Now overall performance and the build quality which I have seen from these Mpow M20 earbuds put them in a place of worth buying, to be honest with you. And also the list of features they offer and what I have tested to base that all. Starting with the IPX7 waterproof rating. To prove that, I have dipped them both earbuds inside the water to prove that they are fantastic. They're still ticking, they're still working for me. Touch control on both earbuds let you navigate within your playlist of your mobile phone, increase and decrease the volume, and so much more. I can understand that it sometimes creates a bit of conflict, but once you get a hang of it, they are fantastic as well. And you also have to consider that once they are in your ears, you shake your head, they are not going anywhere. You're going to have a whiplash or a big accident, they still stick in your ears. That's it. There's a 3D stereo sound feature which I have not been able to test, to be honest with you, because I couldn't find the music to play on that part of side. But I have checked the microphone feature which come with the CVC 8.0 noise cancellation, so the other side who's listening to you will not have any distortion of sound like a train noise around you. Now this is all isolated before the sound goes to the other side. And now the very important but not the last feature of this Mpow M20 is this charging case, which comes with 2600 milliampere hour battery, let you charge your mobile phone on the go as well. It is worth considering because you're going to use these earbuds day and night. Come with 3 pair of small, medium, large ear tips which are always handy to have, and they are very comfortable as well. Well, personally speaking, I suppose that is enough information for you to consider them. But if you'd like to know more about this product, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them as well. And kindly share in the comment section down below that what earbuds are you using. That will be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another video. Bye for now.